Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we're converting 200 kPa to psia, pounds per square inch absolute. So here is the conversion: 200 kPa multiplied by 1 psia divided by 6.895 kPa, and we'll get 29 psia. Alright, before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. I'm sure most of you know how to use it. However, if you never used snipping tool before, you can follow these instructions. So first, click on the snipping tool icon. If it's located on your taskbar, you can do so. If it's not located, you can search it using the Windows search button and then type it in. If you're using a Mac, use the snipping tool equivalent on the Mac. Okay, once you've opened the snipping tool, click on video option, click on new, and then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, and then hit the red square to stop recording, and then save your video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.